Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Google Chrome from running in the background when closed. It means when your Google Chrome is closed, it will not run in the background. So you can stop it by doing such settings in your Google Chrome. So first of all, we will open our Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to go to right side on the three dot menu button. Here, then you have to click on it. Then you have to go to the settings. After you go to the settings in your Chrome, you will be able to see different type of settings here. Then here on the left side you will see option called system. You have to click on system. After clicking on system, on the right side you will see the setting called continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So for doing this, it is already enabled in my PC. I have to disable this to stop using Chrome in background while closed. You can also disable it. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.